This week on the Foxhole.
I thought it's in the Foxhole.
Take it back. This week in the Foxhole.
We are going to be learning how to carve pumpkins with power tools. If I can do it, so can you. I don't think I can though. All right, let's go. The first thing that we did was we used these handy dandy metallic markers to outline the design that we want on the pumpkin. Now we did a pretty basic design because with power tools you have a little bit less control than you would if you were using, let's say, like a carving knife or something like that. Danny is an artist. I claim to not be an artist, so let's see who does a better power tool pumpkin in the Foxhole.
But I'm not a pumpkin artist.
All right, well, I'm gonna start with this, what do you call this?
Yeah, do you know how to even use it?
Nope, I have to plug it in first. I'm gonna start with this sawzall. Is this called a sawzall? Jigsaw. I'm gonna start with this jigsaw to take the cap right off of the pumpkin.
I personally am gonna start with a drill so I don't have to dig the jigsaw into the pumpkin and maybe cut myself.
Oh.
Shamika can do it however she wants.
Well, is your... Whoa, you're making a mess. Okay, do I hold it like...
You better watch me do it first.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you do it. Very good. Should I do a drill hole first in mine and then? Oh, wow, that was really good, Danny. Is it dangerous?
It was a little bit dangerous. So, if you don't drill, we got to set the cut.
Okay, now.
What are you going to do with your hands?
I'm not really sure. I've never done this before. Can I try?
Go for it.
Okay. Where's my saw?
You have hand out of the way. You have a 6-inch blade in there.
Okay.
It's a long blade.
Okay.
So you don't want to poke out on your hand.
Okay, so the first cut is...
I'm keeping that in mind.
I'm keeping that in mind, that it's important to be safe.
Oh my God.
Oh, the blade goes that way.
The blade goes up and down like this.
I want all my fingers when we're done. I want all my fingers when we're done.
I'm going to get a couple of sticks to hold this pumpkin for you.
Oh, thank you.
I don't want you hurting yourself.
Okay, now I'm going to go down.
Okay, so I'm going to brace this pumpkin. Oh
yeah, look at that. And now I'm going to turn it. Wow! Woo! Now I'm going to turn it again. Now I'm going to turn the pumpkin all the way around. Your pumpkin is in my way. I think I got the hang of this. Okay. 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 Boom. Woo! Okay, I made so far. Oh, and it pops right off. That was way easier than using a knife. I'm only gonna do, what do you call it, a jigsaw? A Fez tool jigsaw for my pumpkin carving endeavors from here on out. Okay, now we're using latex gloves to clean our pumpkins out. That said, I have seen people, if you wanted to continue with the power tools, I have seen people use one of those paint stirring things. What are those things called? Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Cool. Or also a whisker, like a kitchen tool, KitchenAid whisker, and it just jams us all out. Oh, I forgot to say the most important part. If you can and you have a lovely neighbor, thank you, Jeffrey, for dropping off these pumpkins. They might be willing to give you pumpkins. Otherwise, of course, take advantage of the local Santa Cruz pumpkin patches. Okay, Danny's gonna be the experimenter.
Here we go, Dremel.
Dremel. While he's doing that carving, I'm gonna use the drill to try and get the eyes out. Okay, here I go.
Oh, drill through your hand there.
What are those things called that you put on the end of the drill to get a big chunk out at once? Clearly he's better at this than me.
Drill the shape that I want, right?
Okay.
Knock it out.
There's pumpkin flying everywhere. Oh! And I'm going to use the Dremel to start doing something. Why doesn't my Dremel work? Did it stop working? Why doesn't this work?
What's that?
Why doesn't this work?
You got to turn it on.
I thought I turned it on.
All right, turn it on right here.
Oh, can you do that?
All right, turning it on for Shamika.
Whoa!
Don't push that button.
What's that button do?
That button is a lock, so you could change this. So you're really breaking the tool.
Oh shit! Oh, is it in?
Oh, shut up, man! Oh my God! This week on carving pumpkins with power tools, Shamika loses an eye.
I don't want to lose an eye.
Oh my God!
Give me the drill.
Touch that anymore.
Give me the drill. Okay. Do you do it like this? I feel really awkward. Like, what does this thing do? Give me that one. This is way too slow for me.
Poke me with that.
No, I don't want to poke you with it. I just want to use this. There we go. Yeah. Now we're talking. Oh, this is so good. I think this is the best pumpkin I've ever carved. Is this the second handle?
No, that's not. This is the hand.
Is that how you hold it? Yeah. Okay, this is how you hold it.
Watch out, man. I'm wheeling that thing around me.
I didn't mean to.
Oh, yours is very nice, yeah.
Oh, where's that? Oh, here, I'm gonna use, this is not a power tool, this is a hand tool, but I think it will be very effective in getting the guts on the inside out. What is that? Don't blow it at me. I don't want pumpkin guts. Carving jack-o'-lanterns with power tools. If I can do it, so can you. But be careful, please. There's a lot of sharp, powerful power in power tools. This is actually really cute. That was my favorite pumpkin carving experience. It's always so arduous with those knives. 1, 2, 3. My pumpkin, Danny's pumpkin. Oh yeah, that's pretty cute. My pumpkin, Danny's pumpkin. Carving jack-o'-lanterns with power tools. Stay tuned for next week in a foxhole.